I got this domed bird feeder in an effort to keep the starlings out of the bird seed. I don't really care about the rain so much, but the starlings are driving me crazy. So you probably can't see it, but it does have holes drilled in it, drain holes. And here's the top piece. And it's got a threaded rod. The back of the box shows you how to put the threaded rod into the bird feeder. The bird feeder does a great job of keeping the seed dry as well. The woodpecker likes the bird feeder. It's fairly windy today, but the bird feeder seems to be doing good. No worse than the other bird feeder or the squirrel guard. The feeder's been out there in all sorts of weather for about 10 or 12 days, and only the cardinals are still afraid of it, but all the rest of the birds are fine. I just want to mention that with all the birds flying on and off the feeder, it will, that wing nut will get a little bit loose, so just check that it's tight. And when I brought it in today, you have to tighten the bottom up once in a while too. Not quite as often as the top nut, but just double check.